Send it.
Alright, man.
I just picked up this badass 2007 Suzuki GSX-R 600. Check it out. Picked up this bike locally. It is in Fort Myers. You can obviously see this is another bike that is crashed, but this bike's actually in really good condition. It has 15,000 miles on it. It has that nice GP exhaust on it, which sounds really good. I just got everything in the mail for this Jigster. I got new grips, the radiator, the recificator, and this fairing kit. So, as you can see, I put this new radiator on it already. I was gonna video it, but it was really easy to put on. There's a bolt here, a bolt there, and then like 4 hoses that hook up to it, and it's really easy to put on. But the bike runs and starts, and it idles at good temperatures now. And now it's time to put on this fairing kit, cut these grips off, and put some new stuff on it and get this thing looking right. I got the headlight assembly up here by the door. I'm gonna go get it. So let's check this thing out. It's looking pretty mean. It'll start up. This tank piece is pretty hard to get on. It has like 5 bolts that hold onto it, and there's 4 that hold this onto the tank. But you know, got it done. It's getting a little late here, so I just kind of like put this on. It's not like on completely, and neither is the windscreen, but it's pretty much all together. I'm gonna get to this in the morning. What's going on, guys? I finished the Jigster last night, put all new hardware on it, got it all together, pulled the exhaust valve actuator off of it, painted the wheels white for the CBR, put clear coat on the GSXR 1000 sprockets, and this is a CBR. Gonna have white wheels on this thing. It's gonna look sick. This was the matte green bike. I know I'm like all over the place on like posting stuff, and that's the Jigster. I never post the finished product, but I'll get to that next video. But today it's about this thing. Check this out. Got it all together. It's not all just mocked up like it was at the end of the night last night. And we're about to, me and Andrew are about to go downtown, rip it a little bit, and we'll catch you guys there. Can't leave without the plates. videos, bike builds like this, and I might have bought a house. I'm proud.